Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Copilot Windows 11. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. What is Copilot in Windows? New for Windows 11, Copilot in Windows is an AI-powered intelligent assistant that helps you get answers and inspirations from across the web, supports creativity and collaboration, and helps you to focus on the task at hand. Get help when you need it using Copilot in Windows. Copilot in Windows helps you stay focused while it performs the tasks you need to get done, from adjusting your PC settings to organizing your windows with Snap Assist. Copilot saves you time and helps you be more efficient. To launch Copilot, update the latest version of Windows 11 and press Windows logo key plus C. Get answers, inspiration, and summaries. Start your next creative project with ideas and information that spark your ingenuity. Copilot in Windows gets you relevant answers fast, lets you ask follow-up questions, and can generate images from your ideas. Copilot is ready when you are. Set it aside when you don't need its help, or launch it with a keystroke to use its state-of-art tools. Copilot also offers assistance while you work online and in your Windows apps. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.